Wil Dasovich is a popular Filipino-American Youtuber. He was also a former television personality and model. He has appeared on various TV shows in the Philippines, most notably on Pinoy Big Brother. But he is widely known for his vlogs on YouTube, with a big appeal to a Filipino audience. Back in August 2017, upon returning to San Francisco after 3 years abroad, Dasovich explained that he came for treatment for internal bleeding. He later revealed that he was diagnosed with a stage 3 colon cancer. He finished his last cycle of chemotherapy in January 2018. A month later, he revealed that he was cancer-free. Since then, his content has increasingly been focused on his travels abroad in the Philippines, showcasing more of Filipino culture, highlighting things about the language, the food, the celebrities, and speaking more Tagalog. Vloggers like Dasovich recognizes the power of the digital space. It is apparent that YouTube is becoming the greater alternative public sphere, with already famous celebrities shifting towards YouTube and bringing their social capital with them. In other words, YouTube is another means of representing people like Dasovich to the broader public. This makes Wil Dasovich, in my opinion, a powerful ambassador to introducing his perspectives on his culture to us. Let me know of other fascinating facts about this person in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video.